ਗੁੱਡ ਮਾਰਨਿੰਗ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟ। ਸੋ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਾਣਦੇ ਹੋ ਕਿ 12ਵੀਂ ਜਮਾਤ ਦੀ ਕੰਪਿਊਟਰ ਸਾਇੰਸ ਪ੍ਰੀਖਿਆ ਜੋ ਕਿ ਫਰਵਰੀ ਮਹੀਨੇ ਹੋਣ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ, ਸੋ ਉਸ ਪ੍ਰੀਖਿਆ ਨੂੰ ਧਿਆਨ 'ਚ ਰੱਖਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਨੂੰ ਤਿਆਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ। ਸੋ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਮੇਰੇ YouTube ਚੈਨਲ ਜਪਜੀ ਇਨਫੋਟੈਕ ਤੇ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਹੈ। ਸੋ ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਇਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੰਪਿਊਟਰ ਸਾਇੰਸ ਕਲਾਸ 12 ਟਰਮ 2 ਰਿਵੀਜ਼ਨ ਆਫ 1 ਮਾਰਕਸ 4 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਐਂਡ 6 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਦੀ ਦੁਹਰਾਈ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਰਾਹੀਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਹਾਜ਼ਰ ਹੋਏ ਹਾਂ। ਸੋ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੰਪਿਊਟਰ ਸਾਇੰਸ ਦੇ ਪੇਪਰ ਦੇ ਸਟਰਕਚਰ ਬਾਰੇ ਜਾਣ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਸੋ ਕੰਪਿਊਟਰ ਸਾਇੰਸ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਰਿਟਨ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ ਹੈ ਉਹ 50 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਦਾ ਆਵੇਗਾ, ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਪੇਪਰ ਦੇ 3 ਭਾਗ ਹੋਣਗੇ, ਪਾਰਟ A, ਪਾਰਟ B, ਪਾਰਟ C। ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਸਟ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਹੈ ਜੀ, ਪਾਰਟ A ਕੰਸਿਸਟ ਆਫ 3 questions having 12 questions as sub parts as given below. Question 1 will consist of 4 MCQ type questions. Each question carry 1 mark. Question 2 will consist of 4 fill in the blanks type questions. Each questions carry 1 mark. Question 3 will consist of 4 full form type questions. Each question carry 1 mark. So part A ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੁੱਲ 12 ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਹੋਣਗੇ ਜੀ, ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ 4 ਮਲਟੀਪਲ ਚੋਇਸ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ, 4 ਫਿਲ ਇਨ ਦਾ ਬਲੈਂਕਸ ਤੇ 4 ਫੁੱਲ ਫਾਰਮ ਟਾਈਪ ਦੇ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਹੋਣਗੇ। ਇਹਨਾਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦੇ 1-1 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਹੋਣਗੇ। ਸੈਕੰਡ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਹੈ ਜੀ, ਪਾਰਟ B will consist of 5 short answer type questions from question 4 to question 8. There will be internal choice in 2 questions only. Each question carry 4 marks. तो part B ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 5 short answer type question ਹੋਣਗੇ, ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਨੰਬਰਿੰਗ 4 ਤੋਂ 8 ਤੱਕ ਹੋਵੇਗੀ। ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਹੈ ਇਹ 4-4 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਦੇ ਹੋਣਗੇ ਤੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜੇ 2 ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਹੋਣਗੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਚੋਇਸ ਵੇਖਣ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲੇਗੀ। Point number 3, part C will consist of 3 long answer type questions from question number 9 to question number 11. There will be internal choice in these questions. Each question carry 6 marks. So ਜਿਹੜੇ long answer type questions ਆ ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ 3 question ਆਣਗੇ, ਜਿਹੜੇ question number 9 ਤੋਂ question number 11 ਤੱਕ ਹੋਣਗੇ। ਸੋ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਤਿੰਨਾਂ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਚੋਇਸ ਆ ਉਹ ਵੇਖਣ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲੇਗੀ ਤੇ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ 6 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਦੇ ਹੋਣਗੇ। ਸੋ ਕੁੱਲ ਮਿਲਾ ਕੇ ਰਿਟਨ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ 50 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਦਾ ਹੋਵੇਗਾ। ਸੋ 45 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਪ੍ਰੈਕਟੀਕਲ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਅਤੇ 5 ਨੰਬਰ ਦੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਇੰਟਰਨਲ ਅਸੈਸਮੈਂਟ ਦੇ ਨੰਬਰ ਹੋਣਗੇ। ਸੋ ਕੁੱਲ ਮਿਲਾ ਕੇ 100 ਅੰਕ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੰਪਿਊਟਰ ਸਾਇੰਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੁੜਨਗੇ। ਸੋ ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਲੈਸਨ ਵਾਈਜ਼ ਮਾਰਕਸ ਡਿਸਟ੍ਰੀਬਿਊਸ਼ਨ ਬਾਰੇ ਜਾਣ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਸੋ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਟੋਟਲ ਪੇਪਰ ਹੈ ਉਹ 50 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਦਾ ਹੋਵੇਗਾ, ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ 1 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਵਾਲੇ 12 ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਹੋਣਗੇ ਅਤੇ 4 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਵਾਲੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਆ ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ 5 ਆਣਗੇ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਾਰਟ ਨੰਬਰ 1, 2, 4, 5 ਅਤੇ 6ਵੇਂ ਪਾਰਟ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਆਉਣਗੇ। ਇਸੇ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੇਕਰ ਅਸੀਂ 6 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ ਤਾਂ ਇਹ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਲੈਸਨ ਨੰਬਰ 3, ਲੈਸਨ ਨੰਬਰ 4, ਲੈਸਨ ਨੰਬਰ 6 ਅਤੇ ਲੈਸਨ ਨੰਬਰ 7 ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਹੀ ਆਉਣਗੇ। ਸੋ ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਮਲਟੀਪਲ ਚੋਇਸ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਦੀ ਦੁਹਰਾਈ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ 1 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਹੋਣਗੇ ਜੀ, ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਸਟ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਹੈ ਜੀ, Dash is a word processor software and the options are MS Window, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, and the last one is MS Word. And the right answer is MS Word is a word processor software. Second one is to check spelling and grammar. Dash key is used and the options are Control plus F7, Alt plus F7, F7, and the last one is Shift plus F7. And the right answer is to check spelling and grammar, F7 key is used. Third one is dash option in MS Word changes the structure and layout of pages. And the options are format, print and print preview, page setup, and the last one is proofing. And the right answer is page setup option in MS Word changes the structure and layout of pages. And fourth question is Dash is electronic spreadsheet software used for automated calculations. And the options are MS Window, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, and the last one is MS Word. And the right answer is MS Excel is electronic spreadsheet software used for automated calculation. And fifth one is Dash refers to changing the font style, size, color, bold, italic, underline and other related parameters. And the options are formatting, alignment, proofing, and the last one is filtering. And the right answer is Formatting refers to changing the font style, size, color, bold, italic, underline, and other related parameters. And sixth one is, which of the following statement is also called as conditional statement? And the options are for, break, if, and the last one is why. And the right answer is if statement is also called as conditional statement. And seventh one is switch case is similar to dash statement, and the options are if else, if else if, break, and the last one is go to. And the right answer is switch case is similar to if else if statement. And eighth one is which statement can be used to terminate a case in switch statement. And the options are continue, go to, if, and the last one is break. And the right answer is break statement can be used to terminate a case in switch statement. And ninth one is which of the following is an example of a post-test loop? And the options are for, while, do while, and the last one is continue. And the right answer is do while is an example of a post-test loop. And tenth one is which of the following is not a jumping statement? And the options are while, continue, go to, and the last one is break. And the right answer is while is not a jumping statement. And 11th one is a computer dash is a set of computer that are connected together. And the options are network, system, protocol, and the last one is internet. And the right answer is a computer network is a set of computers that are connected together. And 12th one is a dash is basically a multi-port repeater, and the options are hub, switch, router, and the last one is bridge. And the right answer is a hub is basically a multi-port repeater. And 13th question is a dash is a two-port device, and the options are hub, switch, router, and the last one is bridge. And the right answer is a bridge is a two-port device. And 14th one is Wi-Fi stand for dash, and the options are wireless field, wireless fidelity, wire fire, and the last one is wire fidelity. And the right answer is Wi-Fi stand for wireless fidelity. And 15th one is a dash is a combination of a bridge and a router, and the options are switch, bridge, hub, and the last one is router. And the right answer is a router is a combination of bridge and a router. And 16th question is information technology is an area under which computer or other physical devices are used to create, dash, secure, and exchange electronic data. And the options are access, process, define, and the last one is save. And the right answer is information technology is an area under which computer or other physical devices are used to create, process, secure, and exchange electronic data. 17th one is with the introduction of online education services, students can learn from anywhere using the dash, and the options are internet, electricity, 5G technology, and the last one is email. And the right answer is with the introduction of online education services, students can learn from anywhere using the internet. And 18th one is Android operating system is a dash operating system. And the options are computer, mobile, technology, and the last one is virtual reality. And the right answer is Android operating system is a mobile operating system. 19th one is cloud computing is a kind of dash based computing. And the options are big data, IoT, internet, and the last one is Bluetooth. And the right answer is cloud computing is a kind of internet based computing. 20th one is who brought the concept of AI, and the options are Victor Alice, Marvin Minsky, Alan Turing, and the last one is John McCarthy. And the right answer is John McCarthy brought the concept of artificial intelligence. And 21st one is which type of AI focuses on single set of abilities and perform a particular task. And the options are super AI, narrow AI, general AI, and the last one is none of these. And the right answer is narrow type of AI focuses on single set of abilities and performs a particular task. And 22nd question is which one of AI type does not have memory for data storage? And the options are limited memory, reactive machine, thinks of mind, and the last one is self-awareness. And the right answer is reactive machine, one of AI type, does not have memory for data storage. And 23rd one is the conversion of natural language into computer understandable form are dash, and the options are intrusion detection, machine translation, identification, and the last one is none of these. And the right answer is the conversion of natural language into computer understandable form are called machine translation. And 24th one is the core of the expert system which by applying set of rules and draw the result of the user question is the function of dash, and the options are inference engine, knowledge base, user interface, and the last one is none of these. And the right answer is the core of the expert system which by applying set of rules and draw the result of the user question is the function of inference engine. And 25th one is place where knowledge from the human expert is collected are called dash, and the options are domain expert, knowledge base, user, and the last one is all of these. And the right answer is place where knowledge human expert is collected is called knowledge base. And 26th one is robots which provide helps for analyzing the collected data are dash, and the options are healthcare robot, domestic robot, military robot, and the last one is research robot. And the right answer is robot which provide help for analyzing the collected data are research robots. And 27th one is dash is the process to convert information into computer readable form, and the options are e-learning, e-commerce, digitalization, and the last one is net banking. And the right answer is digitalization is the process to convert information into computer readable form. And 28th one is dash is mean to be online buying and selling of goods. And the options are e-commerce, DigiLocker, digital payment, and the last one is none of these. And the right answer is e-commerce is mean to be online buying and selling of goods. And 29th one is easiest and convenient way for cashless payment is dash, and the options are digitalization, storage, offline, and the last one is digital payment. And the right answer is easiest and convenient way for cashless payment is digital payment. And 30th one is dash stores only those educational certificate issued by educational institute through digital mode, and the options are Swayam, NAD, MOOC, and the last one is DigiLocker. And the right answer is NAD store only those educational certificate issued by educational institute through digital mode. And 31st one is dash is a type of e-commerce which involve company and customer. And the options are B2B, B2C, C2C, and the last one is none of these. And the right answer is B2C is a type of e-commerce which involve company and customer. And 32nd one is the online services of government is called dash, and the options are public welfare services, democracy services, e-governance, and the last one is internet services. And the right answer is the online service of government is called e-governance. And 33rd one is G2C stand for dash, and the options are government to employee, government to citizen, government to businessman, and the last one is government to government. And the right answer is G2C stand for government to citizens. And 34th one is the modern form of e-governance services is dash, and the options are e-business, e-commerce, e-services, and the last one is smart governance. And the right answer is the modern form of e-governance services is smart governance. And 35th one is how many digits are there in Aadhaar card number? And their options are 14, 12, 16, and the last one is 10. And the right answer is 12 digits are there in Aadhaar card number. And 36th one is which one is the part of information system? And the options are database and procedures, network, hardware and software, and the last one is all of these. And the right answer is all of these is the part of information system. And 37th one is dash tool allow us to select a drawing with a free hand, and the options are fuzzy selection, lasso, text, and the last one is bucket fill. And the right answer is lasso tool allow us to select a drawing with a free hand. And 38th one is shift plus C is a shortcut for dash, and the options are to create duplicate image, to delete layer, to copy of an image, and the last one is to crop an image. And the right answer is shift plus C is a shortcut for to crop an image. And 39th one is scale option is used to change the dash of an image, and the options are color, size, area, and the last one is all of the above. And the right answer is scale option is used to change the size of the image. And 14th one is dash is known as group of sheets looking at each other, and the options are masking, tools, layers, and last one is none of the above. And the right answer is layers is known as group of sheets looking at each other. A 41st one is dash helps to make a duplicate copy of the active layer, and the options are smudge tool, dodge tool, perspective tool, and the last one is duplicate layer. And the right answer is duplicate layer helps to make a duplicate copy of the active layer. And 42nd one is in order for the computer to play audio files, different dash are required, and the options are video codec, audio codec, both A and B, and the last one is none. And the right answer is in order for the computer to play audio files, different audio codecs are required. A 43rd one is dash format is a common audio format that is played extensively on electronic devices. And the options are WMB, AVI, MP3, and the last one is CDA. And the right answer is MP3 format is a common audio format that is played extensively on electronic devices. And 44 one is audio files that are stored on the audio CD in dash format, and the options are FLV, AAC, MOV, and the last one is CDA. And the right answer is audio files are stored on the audio CD in CDA format. A 45th one is the effect applied between two video clips is called dash, and the options are sound, video, video transition, and the last one is photo. And the right answer is the effect applied between two video clip is called video transition. And 46th one is the process of dividing the video into section is called dash, and the options are merging, splitting, compressing, and the last one is decompressing. And the right answer is the process of dividing the video into section is called splitting. So ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ fill in the blanks ਬਾਰੇ ਪੜਾਂਗੇ ਜੀ। ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵੀ 1-1 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਹੋਣਗੇ, ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਸਟ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਹੈ ਜੀ dash and dash function used to find the minimum and maximum value in a range, and the right answer is min and max function used to find the minimum and maximum value in a range. Second one is filter option is available in dash tab of Excel, and the right answer is filter option is available in data tab of Excel. And third question is if the cursor is placed at the end of the file, then dash button is pressed to delete the text. And the right answer is if the cursor is placed at the end of the file, then backspace button is pressed to delete the text. And fourth question is, two options of orientation for page setup are dash and dash. And the answer is two options of orientation for page setup are portrait and landscape. And fifth one is, dash symbol is used to start any formula in Excel calculation. And the answer is equal to symbol is used to start any formula in Excel calculation. And sixth one is, in dash loop, the control conditions are tested before the body of the loop. And the right answer is, in pre-test loop, the control conditions are tested before the body of the loop. Seventh one is, in dash loop, the control conditions are tested after the body of the loop. And the answer is, in post-test loop, the control conditions are tested after the body of the loop. Eighth one is, dash statement is used to skip some statement inside the loop. And the answer is, continue statement is used to skip some statement inside the loop. Ninth question is, dash is a multi-way conditional control statement. And the answer is, switch case is a multi-way conditional control statement. Tenth one is, the break statement can be used to terminate a case in the dash statement. And the answer is, the break statement can be used to terminate a case in the switch case statement. 11th one is, there are total dash layer in the OSI model. And the answer is, there are total 7 layers in the OSI model. And 12th one is, dash layer of the OSI model manages device addressing. And the answer is, network layer of OSI model manages device addressing. And 13th one is, in dash media, data is transmitted using cables. And the answer is, in guided media, data is transmitted using cables. 14th one is, Bluetooth is an example of dash media. And the answer is, Bluetooth is an example of unguided media. 15th one is, in dash communication mode, data communication is unidirectional. And the right answer is, in simplex communication mode, data communication is unidirectional. And 16th one is, dash is a technology that uses radio waves for wireless high-speed internet and network connection. And the answer is, Wi-Fi is a technology that uses radio waves for wireless high-speed internet and network connection. 17th one is, dash means experiencing things through our computer that do not really exist. And the answer is, virtual reality means experiencing things through our computer that do not really exist. And 18th one is, M-commerce is also known as dash commerce. And the answer is, M-commerce is also known as mobile commerce. 19th one is, dash storage is a way of saving digital things online. And the answer is, cloud storage is a way of saving digital things online. And 20th one is, artificial intelligence is divided into two types, dash and dash. And the answer is, artificial intelligence is divided into two types, type 1 and type 2. 21st one is, dash is a chess playing computer developed by IBM. And the answer is, Deep Blue is a chess playing computer developed by IBM. 22nd one is, dash is a good example of narrow artificial intelligence. And the answer is, Apple Siri is a good example of narrow artificial intelligence. And 23rd one is, dash machines have no memory. And the answer is, machine learning machine have no memory. 24th one is, Mycin and dash are example of earlier expert system. And the answer is, Mycin and Dendral are example of earlier expert system. 25th one is, dash generation robot are smart as humans. And the answer is, fourth generation robots are smart as humans. And 26th one is, the services and facilities of e-governance is divided into dash parts. And the answer is the services and facilities of e-governance is divided into three parts. 27th one is Dash gives a unique identity to Indian citizens. And the answer is Aadhaar number gives a unique identity to Indian citizens. 28th one is in Punjab at village level Dash gives e-governance services. And the answer is in Punjab at village level Seva or Suvidha Center gives e-governance services. And 29th one is Dash is used to solve difficult problems. And the answer is expert system is used to solve difficult problems. And 30th one is smart card are symbols of Dash. And the answer is smart cards are symbol of smart governance. And 31st one is to resize the layer Dash tool is used. And the answer is to resize the layer scale tool is used. And 32nd one is to move the layer Dash tool is used. And the answer is to move the layers move tool is used. And 33rd one is the quality of the picture decreases when the picture is dashed. And the answer is the quality of the picture decreases when the picture is scaled. 34th one is an important part of the image window is dash where the picture is shown. And the answer is an important part of the image window is canvas where the picture is shown. ਸੋ ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਰਾਈਟ ਦੀ ਫੁੱਲ ਫਾਰਮਸ ਬਾਰੇ ਪੜਾਂਗੇ। ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ 1-1 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਹੋਣਗੇ, ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੰਬਰ 1 ਹੈ ਜੀ UTP। UTP ਸਟੈਂਡ ਫॉर ਅਨਸ਼ੀਲਡਡ ਟਵਿਸਟਡ ਪੇਅਰ। ਨੰਬਰ 2 FTP। FTP ਸਟੈਂਡ ਫॉर ਫਾਈਲ ਟ੍ਰਾਂਸਫਰ ਪ੍ਰੋਟੋਕॉल। ਨੰਬਰ 3 is SMTP। SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Number 4 is POP. POP stands for Post Office Protocol. Number 5 is HTTP. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Sixth one is MAC. MAC stands for Media Access Control Address. Seventh one is Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi stands for Wireless Fidelity. Eighth one is VR. VR stands for Virtual Reality. Ninth one is IoT. IoT stands for Internet of Things. 10th one is IT. IT stands for Information Technology. 11th one is GPS. GPS stands for Global Positioning System. 12th one is AI. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. 13th one is GAI. GAI stands for General Artificial Intelligence. 14th one is NLP. NLP stands for Natural Language Processing. 15th one is SAI. SAI stands for Strong Artificial Intelligence. 16th one is GIF. GIF stands for Graphics Interchange Format. 17th one is PNG. PNG stands for Portable Network Graphics. 18th one is TIFF. TIFF stands for Tag Image File Format. 19th one is JPG. JPG stands for Joint Photography Expert Group. 20th one is PSD. PSD stands for Photoshop Document. 21st one is BMP. BMP stands for Bitmap Picture. 22nd one is MP4. MP4 stands for Moving Picture Expert Group Layer 4. 23rd one is MP3. MP3 stands for MPEG Audio Layer 3. 24th one is WMV. WMV stands for Window Media Video. 25th one is FLV. FLV stands for Flash Video. 26th one is AVI. AVI stands for Audio Video Interleave. 27th one is B2B. B2B stands for Business to Business. 28th one is B2C. B2C stands for Business to Customer. 29th one is C2C. C2C stands for Consumer to Consumer. ਸੋ ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਸ਼ਾਰਟਕਟ ਕੀਜ਼ ਬਾਰੇ ਪੜਾਂਗੇ। ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵੀ 1-1 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਹੋਣਗੇ, ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਸਟ ਵਨ ਹੈ ਜੀ ਫॉर ਕਾਪੀਇੰਗ ਕੰਟੈਂਟ ਇਨ MS Word ਐਂਡ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸ਼ਾਰਟਕਟ ਕੀ ਇਜ਼ Ctrl+C. and second one is for paste in MS Word and the shortcut key is Ctrl+V. Third one is for bold in MS Word and the shortcut key is Ctrl+B. And fourth one is for underline in MS Word and the shortcut key is Ctrl+U. Fifth one is for center alignment in MS Word and the shortcut key is Ctrl+E. Sixth one is for justify alignment in MS Word and the shortcut key is Ctrl+J. Seventh one is for double line spacing in MS Word and the shortcut key is Control plus Shift plus D. And eighth one is for replace in MS Word, and the shortcut key is Control plus H. Ninth one is for printing in MS Word, and the shortcut key is Control plus P. 10th one is for spelling and grammar check in MS Word, and the shortcut key is F7. 11th one is for creating a new file in GIMP, and the shortcut key is Ctrl plus N. And 12th one is for opening a file in GIMP, and the shortcut key is Ctrl plus O. 13th one is for creating duplicate image in GIMP, and the shortcut key is Ctrl plus D. 14th one is for viewing image property in GIMP, and the shortcut key is Alt plus Enter. 15th one is for cropping the image in GIMP, and the shortcut key is Shift plus C. And 16th one is for merging layers in GIMP, and the shortcut key is Ctrl plus M. So ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ write the true or false ਬਾਰੇ ਪੜਾਂਗੇ ਜੀ। ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵੀ 1 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਹੋਣਗੇ, ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਸਟ ਵਨ ਹੈ ਜੀ writing if statement within another if is called nested loop, false. Second one is control statement in C programming are used for altering the normal flow of a program, true. Third one is continuous statement is sometimes desirable to skip some statement inside the loop, true. Fourth one is looping statement provide a way to repeat commands, true. Fifth one is the process of making a movie is divided into 5 stages, false. Sixth one is video editing works with only one video clip, false. Seventh one is merging a video means splitting the clip into several parts, false. Eighth one is it is advisable to save the project before starting the process of exporting video files, true. Ninth one is MPEG-4 video format uses different compression for audio and video tracks, true. ਸੋ ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਸ਼ਾਰਟ ਆਨਸਰ ਟਾਈਪ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਪੜਾਂਗੇ ਜੀ। ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ 4 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਹੋਣਗੇ, ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਸਟ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਹੈ ਜੀ ਵਾਟ ਇਜ਼ ਐਕਸਲ, ਐਂਡ ਦ ਆਨਸਰ ਇਜ਼ Microsoft Excel is a powerful electronic spreadsheet program that lets you store data, perform calculation, draw conclusions, create graph, report data that look like a professional, publish data on a website, and access real-time data and facilitate access. Second one is explain formatting in details, and the answer is formatting text means changing the style of the font in which we can change the appearance of the text by formatting, increasing and decreasing the font size, changing the color of the text, bolding the text, italicizing, underlining, etc. And third question is explain print and print preview options, and the answer is print preview is a feature that indicates how a document will look before it is printed on paper. With the print command, we can print documents by setting the printer selection, paper size, page orientation, etc. And fourth question is what are formulas in MS Excel? And the answer is in MS Excel we can use formulas to calculate school result, grading, and student fees, etc. The formula always start with the equal sign. Examples of formulas are the first one is equal to D12 plus D13. Second one is equal to A4 minus A5. And third one is equal to C5 plus D6 into E2. Fifth question is what do you know about the formula bar in Excel? And the answer is formula bar is one of the most important component of MS Excel. The formula bar is located at the top of the Excel window and at the bottom of the ribbon. The formula bar has two parts. The first part is the name box, which represents the address of the cell, and the second part is the function, which represents the type, data, or formula. And sixth question is what are margins? And the answer is a margin is the space between the text and the edge of a document. The margin of a new document is set to normal, and it has 4 parts: top margin, bottom margin, left margin, and right margin. The document defines these four margin as 1 inch, which we can change to suit our needs. And seventh question is define branching, name the different control statements. And the answer is statement who select one branch or another during the course of a program are called a branching statement. These statements are used for decision making or to choose from more than one. The branching statement is further divided into two parts. The first one is condition control statement and second one is multi-way conditional control statement. Eighth question is what is looping? Name three different types of looping statements. And the answer is looping statements are also called iterative statement. There may be situation in program when we need to execute a block of statement multiple times. In such cases, the loop provide us with a way to repeat the statement and they also control how often the statement will be repeated. The different type of looping statements are the first one is for loop, second one is while loop, and third one is do while loop. And ninth question is what is nested if statement? Write its syntax. And the answer is when a statement block of another if condition or a statement block of another if else condition is used, it is called as nested if statement. In this way, we can say that the block of internal statement will work when the condition of the external statement and the condition of the internal statement should be correct. And syntax are if expression or condition 1, then left brace, then internal if expression or condition 2, then execute when condition is true, left brace, then block 1 of statement, then close the internal if statement, brace, and then the external if statement, brace. And 10th question is what is if else statement? Write a program of if else statement. And the answer is if we can also control the status of execution of a statement through if-else statement, we have to make a decision based on two or more conditions or get a program to do something special. We use the if-else statement. In this case, if the if condition provides, if the if condition proved to be correct, the if block is applied and the else section is omitted, and in case of misrepresentation of the statement, only the else section has to be applied. And 11th question is what is while statement? Write its syntax, and the answer is while loop is a pre-test loop and this loop can be used to repeat a statement over and over again. Only the test condition is defined in the while loop. The initial part of the loop is defined before the while loop and the step size of the loop is declared inside the while loop. In while loop, statement get executed as long as the condition is true. The syntax of while loops are variable declaration semicolon, variable initialization semicolon, while test condition, left brace, statement block, step size, then the ending of the right brace. And 12th question is what is information technology? And the answer is information technology is an area in which computers or other physical components such as hardware and software are used to create, process, store, and exchange information. Information technology encompasses all types of technology such as commercial data, voice conversation, photos, motion picture, multimedia, presentation, information creation, storage, conversion, and use. 13th question is give name of any four current trend in information technology, and the answer is name of the four current trends in information technology are the first one is GPS technology, second one is Wi-Fi technology, third one is Bluetooth technology, and fourth one is e-commerce, and fifth one is m-commerce. 14th question is define Bluetooth technology, and the answer is Bluetooth is a wireless local area network technology that allows all type of media files to be sent or received wirelessly via Bluetooth. This technology is used to transmit information over short distances in phones, laptop, personal computer, printer, digital camera, mobile phones, webcam, GPS, cars, keyboard, mice, etc. 15th one is defined GPS technology. And the answer is the full name of GPS is Global Positioning System, and one GPS is available in every smartphone. GPS technology used to find the geographical location of any place or location, and it is a global navigation satellite system. It can be used to find the distance or route of any two places, and is also used to locate or map out nearby institution, hotel, offices, etc. 16th question is, what do you know about e-commerce? And the answer is e-commerce is also called e-commerce or internet commerce. E-commerce means buying or selling goods on the internet using services, making money, etc. This facility has given a new direction to the business, and the business has flourished. Example of website for buying or selling product under e-commerce are Amazon, Flipkart, eBay, OLX, Quicker, etc. 17th one is define 5G technology, and the answer is 5G is the next generation wireless technology, which is many times better than 3G and 4G. 5G mobile network will connect people as well as connect and control machine and devices. The 5G network can be up to 100 times faster than 4G, and it can transmit data at speed of up to 20 gigabit per second over a wireless broadband connection. With the help of 5G, one movie can be downloaded in 1 minute. 18th one is, what is artificial intelligence? And the answer is artificial intelligence means the artificial development of intellectual ability. AI is a branch of computer science that enables machines to work as intelligently as humans. Artificial intelligence develops smart machines to make human life easier and more comfortable. Some examples of artificial intelligence are robot, smart car, drone system, Alexa, etc. 19th one is, what are the types and subtypes of AI? Depict them with the help of diagram. So following diagram shows types and subtypes of artificial intelligence. So the types of artificial intelligence are, so they are of two types. The first one is type 1 and second one is type 2. So the type 1, which is also subdivided into three categories, and the first one is narrow AI, second one is general AI, and third one is strong AI. And the type 2 is also further subdivided into four categories. The first one is reactive machine, second one is limited memory, third one is theory of mind, and fourth one is self-awareness. And 20th question is, what do you mean by expert system? Give example of expert system. And the answer is expert system are computer software. These software fall under the category of artificial intelligence, which is a branch of computer science. These software are primarily developed using AI technology. Such software systems have specialized knowledge of a particular field, subject, or skill. Here are some examples of expert system are, the first one is Dendron. This is an expert system for chemical analysis. Second one is Mycin. This expert system specializes in the treatment of blood infection. And 21st one is, what is the difference between human system and expert system? And the answer is, the difference between human system and expert system are as follows. The first one is, the efficiency of the human system decreases with time, whereas the efficiency of the expert system is permanent. Second one is, in the human system, the results are not predictable, whereas in the expert system, the results are consistent. Third one is, the human system is difficult to transfer while the expert system can be easily transferred. Fourth one is, human experts are expensive, whereas expert system is cheaper than human expert. And 22nd one is, summarize about some computer languages used in the field of AI. And the answer is, computer languages used to develop artificial intelligence are as follows. The first one is Python. This language is widely used in the field of artificial intelligence. Second one is Lisp. Lisp is a very old language for the development of AI. It was developed in 1958 by John McCarthy, the father of AI. Third one is Prolog. This language is used to work on medical projects and is also used extensively to develop expert systems. Fourth one is Java. Java can also be considered as a good option for the development of AI. And fifth one is R. This language is a good choice for statistical analysis. And 33rd question is what is digitalization? And the answer is digitalization is the process of converting information into a digital medium that is computer readable and computer manageable, through which information is stored in bits. Digitalization allows images, document, audio, video, etc. to be converted to digital medium through various computer devices. And 24th question is describe net banking. And the answer is net banking is also called internet banking. After availing the facility of net banking, the customer can transfer money from home to his bank account, pay bills, transfer money to another account, and view his bank account statement, etc. A unique username and password for the use of net banking is issued to the user after the customer goes to the bank and fills in the application form to avail the facility of net banking. And 25th question is what do you mean by e-commerce? And the answer is e-commerce stands for electronic commerce. It is also known as internet commerce. It is a way of doing business using the internet. With the use of this technology, buying or selling of goods and services is possible through the internet. In this technology, two or more parties exchange data and money electronically. Example of e-commerce websites are Amazon, Flipkart, eBay, etc. And 26th question is name types of e-commerce. And the answer is types of e-commerce are the first one is business to business, second one is business to consumer, third one is consumer to consumer, fourth one is consumer to business. And 27th question is write down the benefit of online payment. And the answer is benefit of online payments are the first one is easy and convenient. Second one is money transaction anytime and anywhere. Third one is saving with digital payments. And 28th question is describe DigiLocker. And the answer is DigiLocker helps eliminate the use of paper document and enables the sharing of e-documents between government agencies through an enhancement for online authentication of documents. DigiLocker provides access to authentic virtual documents. It is a digital document vault where you can store your documents such as driving license, PAN card, voter ID, policy document, etc. You can also upload documents and keep them safe when you sign up for a DigiLocker account. And 39th one is what is e-learning? And the answer is e-learning, also known as online learning or electronic learning, is the acquisition of knowledge through electronic technologies and media. E-learning is taught electronically. E-learning is conducted on the internet where students can access their learning material online at any place and time. E-learning is often in the form of online courses, online degree or online programs. That is question is what is digital or online payment? And the answer is online payment are also called digital or e-payment or electronic payment. This is an easy and fast way to make cashless payment in which payments are made through digital medium. Both the payer and the receiver use digital media. Money transfer, purchase of goods, mobile or dish recharge, payment of electricity, water or mobile bills, etc. can be done easily and quickly through digital payment. So ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਲੌਂਗ ਆਨਸਰ ਟਾਈਪ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਪੜਾਂਗੇ ਜੀ, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ 6 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਹੋਣਗੇ। ਜਿਸ ਫਸਟ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਹੈ ਜੀ what are network layer? Describe any 3 network devices. And the answer is a network device is the hardware used to build a network. This network can be a small network used in a home or office or a large network used in large building. So different type of network devices are, the first one is Hub. A hub is a networking device that transmits data to each computer or connected Ethernet-based device. When a computer in a network requests a particular computer for information, the hub receives that request and sends it to main computer. The hub performs the task of duplicating data packets received from a single port, making them making them available on group ports and allowing data sharing between group devices connected to it. And second one is switch. A switch is a device that transfers data packet between many network devices such as computers, routers, servers, or other switches. The switch contains a buffer which increases the efficiency and performance of the switch. Third one is a repeater. A router is a hardware device that acts as a network gateway in a network and is responsible for the flow of data in a network and the connection of the network to the internet. A router is a switch-like device that sends data packet to a network based on their internet protocol address. A router is primarily a network layer device. And second question is, what is unguided media? Write any two media, and the answer is, in unguided media, signals are sent independently in group directions without the use of cables. Unguided media transfer data using electronic waves without the use of physical conductors. Unguided media communication is a data signal that flow through the air. These media are not categorized for adoption or guidance by any channel. These are categorized by type of wave propagations. So type of unguided media are, the first one is infrared. Infrared is a type of wireless mobile technology used to communicate over small area. The major drawback of infrared communication infrared communication is that it operates according to the line of sight principle and its transmission range is limited, due to which its signal cannot cross any wall in its path. Infrared can be used for long distance communication as its use is limited to enclosed spaces. The use of infrared does not require government approval. Second one is Bluetooth. Bluetooth is a type of radio communication technology that enable a low power and short distance wireless networking between phones, computer and other network devices. The process used to connect two Bluetooth devices is called pairing. Personal computer and other devices can be connected using a Bluetooth dongle. Bluetooth network uses dynamic topology called Piconet. Signals sent via Bluetooth can transmit up to 30 feet. And third question is, what is twisted pair cable? Define its advantages and disadvantages. And the answer is, twisted pair cabling consists of two different insulated copper wires, and these two wires appear to be wrapped around each other. One wire in each pair is used for data transfer and the other wire for earthing. These two insulated copper wires are twisted around each other to reduce crosstalk between the wires. This wire is flexible and can easily connect to any device. This cable can transfer data up to a distance of 1 kilometer or more with a speed of 1 to 2 megabit per second. The shorter the distance of this cable, the higher the speed of data transfer. So advantages of twisted pair cable are, the first one is, these cable can be used for both analog and digital transmission. Second one is, these distances are cheaper for shorter distances. Third one is, if any of the network is damaged, the entire network is not down. Disadvantages of twisted pair cable are, the first one is, the signal cannot travel long distances without the use of repeaters. Second one is, the error rate is higher at a distance of more than 100 meters. Third one is, very thin wire break easily. So this wire is not suitable for broadband connection. So fourth question is, what is fiber optical cable? Define its advantages and disadvantages. And the answer is, this cable is made up of thousands of thin fiber of glasses. One fiber for each glass is as thin as a thread. through which light can be transferred. In it, a ray of light is sent at a speed of 1 million bits per second. A fiber cable can transmit a few television signals and thousands of telephone line signals. The size and weight of this cable is less than that of a coaxial cable, and the data transfer rate is also 10 times higher than that of a coaxial cable. So advantages of fiber optic cable are: the first one is a single mode fiber can be used in place of large and heavy copper wire. Second one is suitable for high bandwidth, industrial and noisy areas. Third one is it does not weaken data signal and can be sent over long distances. Disadvantages of fiber optical cable are: the first one is optical fiber cable is expensive. Second one is optical fiber cable has to be polished so that light can be sent with little damage. Third one is light waves are unidirectional, so full duplex communication requires two frequencies. Fifth question is what is communication mode? Define its types. And the answer is the process of transferring data or information between two devices connected to a network is called communication mode. They also indicate the direction of signal flow between connected devices. So there are three types of communication mode. The first one is simplex mode. In simplex, the transmission of data is one direction, meaning notification can only go in one direction and the signal cannot be sent back to the sender due to one-way traffic. Only one of the two connected devices can transfer data and the other device can receive data. And the examples are keyboard, mouse, television, etc. And second one is half duplex mode. In half duplex, the data is transferred between the two devices, meaning both the sender and receiver can send data to each other, but the data can be sent in the same direction at the same time. This transmission is used when data transfer is not required at the same time, and the examples are walkie-talkie. Third one is full duplex mode. In full duplex mode, sender and receiver can transmit data simultaneously through full duplex. In a full duplex, the data transmission capability is divided into two parts so that both can transmit data, and the examples are telephone line. And sixth question is what is information technology? Describe the various applications of information technology. And the answer is information technology is used in every field of human life. Here is a description of some of the application area of information technology. So first one is business. Information technology is used in business to run it smoothly. Second one is online education. In online education, student can get education from anywhere by using internet. Third one is health. Information technology has greatly improved the field of health. Information technology is used to manage lab test result, patient record, etc. And fourth one is transportation. In the field of transportation, information technology is used for various purposes such as booking railway and airplane ticket from home, availability of seats, travel time, etc. Next one is telecommunication. Information technology has opened the door to new telecommunication services such as exchange information via email, video conferencing, etc. And next one is entertainment. The computer has become an important tool for watching movies, listening music, and playing games, etc. And seventh question is describe Android technology with its advantages. And the answer is Android is an operating system. It is used for mobile devices. It was developed by the Open Handset Alliance and later supported by Google. It was later used for touchscreen devices, cell phones, and tablets. So benefits of Android are: the first one is it is compatible with different platforms such as Windows, Linux, operating system, etc. Second one is it supports different media such as MP3, MP4, etc. Third one is it supports various technologies such as camera, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, etc. Fourth one is it supports multitasking. Fifth one is it can be used easily. And eighth question is describe Internet of Things with its advantages. And the answer is the Internet of Things or IoT is a new technology that focuses on making human life more comfortable. The Internet of Things is a cyber physical system that uses sensors to collect data from the physical world. It is a network of interconnected digital devices and objects. The Internet of Things aims to connect everyday device such as AC, refrigerator, TV, etc. to the Internet. So some of the benefit of Internet of Things are, so first one is IoT devices work automatically, so it makes human work easier. Second one is all devices are more secure as they are automatic and technical. Third one is they definitely save a lot of human time due to high mechanical processing. Fourth one is we and our home appliance like camera etc. stay connected to each other through this technology. Fifth one is our home appliances can be turned on and off automatically, which helps in efficient use of electricity and energy. So ninth question is write down the types of e-commerce in detail. And the answer is e-commerce can be divided into four main types. The first one is business to business. In this type of e-commerce, different companies do their business with each other. This type of e-commerce involves only manufacturers, wholesaler and retailer. Next one is business to consumer. It includes companies and consumers. Through this, company provide their product and services directly to their consumers. Examples are Amazon, Flipkart, eBay, etc. Next one is consumer to consumer. In this type of e-commerce, consumers are in direct contact with each other and no company is involved. In this model, people can sell and buy their personal belonging to each other. It is usually used by people to sell their surplus or second-hand goods, for example, OLX, Quicker, etc. Next one is consumer to business. In this type of e-commerce, consumer provide his goods or services to the company. Example, an individual develop his own software and sells it to a company. And 10th question is write down the advantages and disadvantages of e-commerce. And the answer is the advantages and disadvantages of e-commerce are described as follows. The benefit of e-commerce are the first one is e-commerce company can provide their goods or services anywhere in the world. Next one is e-commerce saves a lot of money as we can buy directly from the manufacturing company, which eliminate many taxes and additional cost. This is how we get the product at a lower price. Next one is purchase goods are delivered to the consumer in the shortest possible time by the company directly to the address given by the consumer. And next one is shopping can be done at any time through e-commerce. Business never stops here. Next one is from the long list of items on e-commerce website, we can select any item to purchase very easily. So the disadvantages of e-commerce are the first one is item purchased through e-commerce are not immediately received by the customer as it takes a few days for the e-commerce company to deliver the goods to the customer given address. Next one is the quality of the item purchased through e-commerce is known to the customer when he receives the item. Next one is e-commerce websites store important customer details and information. If this information is obtained by an unauthorized person, the customer may suffer heavy financial or personal losses. And 11th question is give brief note on various digital or online payment mode. And the answer is there are many ways to pay online. Here is a description of some of the major online payment methods. The first one is credit card. This is a plastic card issued by a bank to their customer. When the customer makes a purchase using this card, the concerned bank pay for that purchase. The customer has to repay the payment made by the bank within the stipulated time. Second one is debit card. Like a credit card, it is a it is a plastic card. When a customer pay by debit card, the payment amount is immediately deducted from the amount deposited in the customer account. Third one is e-wallet. This method of payment uses digital payment apps. These apps store the customer credit, debit card, or bank account information so that payment can be made easily. So Paytm, JioMoney, Google Pay, etc. are some of the major e-wallet apps. Fourth one is net banking. Net banking is also called internet banking. Using net banking, we can easily perform various banking related activity at any time from home. It also allows us to make different type of online payment. Next one is Bheem app in Bharat interface for money. So Bheem is a mobile app. It's an easy and fast way of payment. Payment is made by using the UPI ID of the person concerned or by scanning the QR code. 12th question is, what do you mean by e-governance? Define its working system. And the answer is, e-governance is a functional system in which government, citizen, and organization participate in the online facility and services. All of them perform their activity using the internet in different way. The working of e-governance can be explained under the following section. The first one is G2G, means government to government. This type of e-governance includes online services in which the central government and the state government share data and information with each other. Second one is G2C, which stands for government to citizen. In this form of e-governance, the government provides services and facility to its citizens. These services are free or provided at very low cost, such as online payment of bills, online payment of income tax, etc. And third one is G2B, which stands for government to business. This type of e-governance provides services and facilities to businesses by the government. For example, online services related to online sales, purchase of goods, taxes on goods, and subsidies, etc. Fourth one is G2E, which stands for government to employee. In this form of e-governance, the government provides services and facility to its employees, such as online services for pay bill of employees, maintenance of their service record, departmental transfer, etc. For example, IHRMS. And fifth one is G2N, government to NGOs. So in this type of e-governance, services and facilities are provided by the government to NGOs, for example, online registration of NGOs or society, etc. And 13th question is, what are the benefit and limitation of e-governance? And the answer is, the advantages and disadvantages of e-governance are, so the first one is, people can easily get e-governance services online or at their nearest service or Suvidha Kendra. Second one is, with the advent of e-governance, government work has also accelerated. Third one is, e-governance reduces the cost of documentation. Fourth one is, e-governance has created a transparent environment in the working style of all offices. Fifth one is, the concerned officer or employee is liable for any delay in work. So disadvantages of e-governance are, the first one is, uneducated or technically ignorant people cannot avail these services properly. Second one is, we must have internet access to use these services. Third one is, opening a service center in every village is an expensive task. And the fourth one is, the internet cannot be considered completely secure. 14th one is, what is Aadhaar card? Describe its characteristics. And the answer is, Aadhaar is a unique 12-digit identification card number. This number is issued to Indian citizens by UIDAI, which stands for Unique Identification Authority of India. No two people in India can have the same Aadhaar number. So basic characteristics of Aadhaar card are as follows. The first one is unique identity. Aadhaar provides a unique identity to every Indian citizen. Second one is residential document. The complete residential address of the person concerned is printed on it. Third one is no expiration date. There is no expiration date of Aadhaar card. Next one is identity proof. Since the Aadhaar card contains personal and biometric information of the person, it can be used as proof of identity. Next one is online authentication. Nowadays, authentication is done only through Aadhaar card number for various type of online facilities. And 15th question is write down the list of services provided by Seva or Suvidha Kendra. And the answer is following are some of the online services and facilities offered by the service centers. The first one is issuance of residency certificate, issuance of caste certificate, issuance of birth and death certificate, issuance of income certificate, issuance of Aadhaar card, issuance of certificate of religion, issue copy of registry mutations, issuance of vehicle registration certificate, filling up old age or widow pension forms, issuance of driving license, submitting electricity, telephone and many other types of bills online. So students, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਉਮੀਦ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਰਾਹੀਂ ਆਪਣੀ 12ਵੀਂ ਜਮਾਤ ਦੇ ਕੰਪਿਊਟਰ ਸਾਇੰਸ ਵਿਸ਼ੇ ਦੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਹੀ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਰਾਹੀਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਵਰ ਕਰ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਹੋਵੋਗੇ, ਚੰਗੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਪੜ੍ਹ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਹੋਵੋਗੇ। ਤੇ ਜੇਕਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਫਿਰ ਵੀ ਕੋਈ ਡਾਊਟ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਇਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਨੂੰ ਬਾਰ-ਬਾਰ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਵਧੋ ਹਰਾਈ ਨੂੰ ਵਧੀਆ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। ਧੰਨਵਾਦ।